Good day, everyone. So, guys, let's make a vlog about how to sell ADDMEFAST points and get real cash. Okay, so we have 3001 points here, and we're going to sell it to, okay, playerapp.com. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I already have an account here. If you don't have an account, you can sign up here. And after that one, okay, so let's explore for the credits here. You can see all your transactions and the PayPal payment here if you have PayPal. So for me, I prefer PayPal. And then we will go to middleman. Mhm. Okay, it takes a long time. And then after that one, so you put your email here and then your product name. So add me fast. So we have 3001 points here. Next. So the price. So let's see. Let's make it $5. So let's submit. So it takes a while. So we're going to wait. Okay. Then guys, please do copy this link. Okay. So let's copy. Okay. So after we copy it, let's go to forums. So after that, let's go here in main marketplaces, scroll down, and then, okay, so let's choose this one. Oh, let's choose this one, all other games or marketplaces. So after that, we'll go to Add Me Fast here. Mhm. And after that, we'll go Add Me Fast points for sale. And then we should scroll down and then we'll post new listing. Let's create a thread. Okay. So, oh, not this one. So let's paste it here. The link. Create middleman listing. This one. We should paste it here. And okay. So let's make a title. So, add me fast. Add me fast points. Okay. So what? 3001 for $5. Oh. Selling. Oh, what happened? Selling add me fast points. Okay. So after that one, okay. So you can say I am selling. I'm sorry for this. Okay, I'm selling 3001 add me fast points for okay, $5. And then okay. 3000. Let's select. Okay. So you can put an image here if you want to. Okay, maybe let's put one. Oh, what image? Okay. Oh, never mind. Okay, and then after that one, we can create a thread. Okay, so it's creating a thread already. Okay, so your thread has been posted. Okay, so this is our something choo choo. And then if you want to check, by the way guys, you can click the forums. And then you can go here in, okay, let's scroll down. All other games are marketplaces. Then we'll go to ADDMEFAST. Then ta-da! Okay, ADDMEFAST points for sale. So you can see your post here or the thread. Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you. Bye.